Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Fenugreek or Methi Dana, an ancient remedy celebrated for its hair-nourishing properties, holds a prominent place in natural hair care routines. This simple yet potent DIY recipe harnesses the power of fenugreek seeds to create a nourishing oil capable of stimulating hair regrowth in areas of concern. Begin by soaking half a cup of fenugreek seeds in water for 8 to 10 hours. Once soaked, drain the water and spread the seeds on a thin cloth, allowing them to sprout for about 2 days until tiny roots emerge. After sprouting, dry the seeds on a tray for an additional day before grinding them into a fine powder using a grinder or blender. Mix the fenugreek powder with your preferred hair oil, such as coconut or almond oil, and transfer the blend into a jar with a lid. Allow it to sit for 2 weeks in a cool, dark place to let the fenugreek infuse into the oil, shaking the jar occasionally. Fenugreek seeds are rich in proteins, nicotinic acid, and lecithin, which work together to nourish the hair roots, strengthen hair follicles, and promote hair growth. The sprouting process enhances the potency of the seeds, making them more effective in stimulating hair regrowth. Once infused, massage the oil onto the scalp and areas where hair regrowth is desired, leaving it on for 8 hours or overnight before washing it off. For optimal results, use this oil treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Prior to application, conduct a patch test to ensure compatibility with your skin and scalp, avoiding any potential allergic reactions. Regular use of this fenugreek-infused oil can lead to noticeable improvements in hair strength, thickness, and overall health. Fenugreek has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and beauty practices, owing to its numerous health benefits. Apart from promoting hair growth, fenugreek is also known for its ability to improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and lower blood sugar levels. In addition to its hair-strengthening properties, fenugreek oil can also help moisturize the scalp, reduce dandruff, and prevent split ends, resulting in healthier, more manageable hair. The natural ingredients in this DIY fenugreek oil make it a safe and effective alternative to commercial hair care products devoid of harsh chemicals and additives. By incorporating this DIY fenugreek oil into your hair care routine, you can harness the power of nature to achieve stronger, thicker, and more vibrant hair. Embrace the ancient wisdom of fenugreek and experience the transformative effects it can have on your hair health and overall well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.